I have a box from Shop Disney, a bag from Shop Disney, and another bag from Shop Disney. That means it's another episode of Come On Shop Disney. Really? We're gonna start with the little white bubble wrapped envelope, and it's got a nice little zippy opening here. Oh, it didn't work. Okay, well that was pointless then. Let's use the scissors. Packing slip, and this is damaged one. On the corner it's all dented in, but it is the Happy Chinese New Year limited release 2021. I'm a little disappointed in the fact that the corner was dented right here. This is a very thin bag, all banged around, just doing that inside the case. So strike one for Shop Disney. Let's do bag number 2 next. This one has a couple things in it. Number 1, packing slip. First, I actually got these for Teia because they've been in her wish list for a while. But these are some Baby Yoda PJ pants. These things are not your typical fabric. This is so soft. 95% polyester, but it's completely see-through. But they're just PJ pants. Don't wear these out and about. And the other item in this bag is... We actually debated on which one to get because there was a couple of different even Wally pins. This pin card was not damaged. I appreciate that. Finally, we get to the box. I mean, it sounds like it's packaged securely, but let's open this up and see how securely it's actually packaged. I have a pin sitting right on top. This is the Winnie the Pooh key pin that matches the Winnie the Pooh key. I opted not to get the key because I don't really collect the keys, but I do collect the key pins. And the last thing I have is this gigantic Matchbox Disney Bus. It's the 2021 Disney Parks bus. It's black. It kind of looks like the buses that you ride around in all over the property. It also kind of looks like the Magic Express. This thing is heavy. Yep, that's about 6 inches long. It's pretty swanky looking. It's not coming out of the box. I like it. I happened to see that. I happened to have a coupon for it, and I was like, why not? The only thing damaged in these packages was the New Year's pin, but everything seemed to be at least mostly packaged securely. The card on the bus was a little bent, but it's not anything that's super crazy bad. Have you gotten anything from Shop Disney lately? Put it in the comments below. But until then, remember, no capes.